Hey parents, Mr. Zelinske here, talking to you about how to drop off your student in the morning or maybe pick them up in the afternoon. I have my daughter Kelsey here. She's in kindergarten this year. Isn't that right, Kelsey? Gonna drop her off here in the morning so she can do a lot of learning here. Coming up on the school. Wow, look at all these changes here at the outdoor. We got a new bus loop, we got a new drop-off area, van loop, all kind of great stuff. Isn't that right, Kelsey?
Yep.
All right, we're coming up here on the good old bus loop, and you know what? We're not gonna go in there. No reason to go on that bus loop. Well, maybe if you're picking up your kid in the middle of the day, but not before, not after school. We don't go in that bus loop. See those bright yellow signs? We're not going the bus loop. Isn't that right, Kelsey?
Yep.
I'm gonna turn into the parking lot here. Take my first right. Don't want to hit that sign there. That would not be good. Isn't that right, Kelsey?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna just swing around here. Okay. And head straight ahead here for the good old new drop-off point. Lots of new sidewalk for our kids to walk on. If there's a car here, I could stop right here. I could get Kelsey out right here. Maybe I could pull right up on here. There's a car here. So I think this is a good spot to let Kelsey off. Isn't that right, Kels?
Yep.
So we're gonna get on out of the car here. All right, have a good day. Go to the front of the building, bye. It's that simple, and you can come right on here at the end of the day too. Have a great day. She's gone.